What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you are just starting out, one key thing to know on your journey, find you at least one stock to make money with. Find you at least one stock that becomes your money maker, guys. It makes your world so much easier in terms of knowing I'm going to focus on this stock starting out. Don't mean that you can't branch out and go off to other things and add more to the fold, but when you are starting off, if you are new to trading, if you're new to investing, pick one stock to learn, to master, and then make money with. Okay, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Check it out, guys. We got the CPI report coming out tomorrow, and I want to prep you with a few things. Okay, you take a look at this will be coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time on tomorrow. Okay, so check this out. The forecast says we are looking for 6.7%. The consensus is that we'll see a 6.5%, and the previous inflation was 7.1. Okay, so it's been coming down. All right, so we are looking to see if it's below 6.5 on tomorrow, and if it is, that means the market will continue to rally. If it's above 6.5 or higher, then that may very well signal that we still got more work to do, regardless of where it comes in at, guys. We're not out of the woods yet. We do have a lot more work to do. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and bring out the charts. I want to teach you guys a few things on today that I want you guys to begin to understand, begin to identify on a grand scheme as it relates to the stock market. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and bust open these charts. Okay, guys, today we will be working from the 30-minute chart on the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Class is in session, so do me a favor and take some notes. Now, I wanted to give you guys a bigger picture from a bigger time frame point of view. Okay, first things first, I want to teach you this. Okay, let's go here. And this is going to be what we call a gap. All right, when you see this right here, this is creating a gap. I'll just draw where it's at so you guys can kind of see this. This is a gap. Okay, so look at this. The stock ran up, made a bull flag, began to run up some more, and then it gapped up over this. It leaped over this only to go higher. It reached this level, and look, whenever an index reaches a top, okay, it will begin to retrace. Retrace means to come back down. But guess what, guys? You need to be mindful that it comes back. Watch this big red candle right here. This big red candle is the stock refilling the gap. Now this gap is closed. So if you ever want to know how far will my stock come down to, if it has gapped up, it's going to go back down to try to fill that gap. And then look, typically it's going to continue to move further before finding a bottom. Okay, flagging out, we call this trade sideways before going back up. But check this out. What I want to teach you guys today is look at what we have here. You have another gap right here. All right, and so although we have been running and we anticipating CPI to maybe keep the momentum going, we got this gap right here that has to be filled. Okay, so if the number don't come in that I just went over, if the number don't come in to our liking, okay, and if inflation is still going crazy, you gotta know, although we're sitting way up here right now, what happens whenever a stock reaches the top? It has to come back down. Okay, and if the number isn't a good one, it's going to come back down. But guess what? To where? It's going to come back to fill this gap. So you already know if when it comes down, where it's going to come back to. That's called filling the gap. Okay, so again, although this can continue higher from here, in the event that they buy the rumor and sell the news, you need to know, you need to be prepared for not only the stock coming back down, but it's going to come back down and close the gap that was previously left from this morning or the last time. Okay, that's what the stock market do. So if you ever look at a bigger time frame, you will begin to see, oh my goodness. Okay, now look, once it get down here, it may come down to this level right here, and this level will be consistent with 390, and you might see it begin to trade sideways and then begin to make its move back to the upside. Okay, but these are patterns that the stock market likes to make that you need to be mindful of. This is why I always tell you, stocks don't go up in a straight line, they don't go down in a straight line. They have gaps to fill, they have patterns to make. It's a lot that goes on day to day in these plays on these time frames, and that's why you have to master all of these different and various time frames, okay? Because you will learn so much more that you might not even see at first glance. I'm going to get rid of all of this. I like working and operating off a clean chart, okay? If you notice me, although I can teach you guys everything there is about the charts, Fibonacci, all of this extra stuff, but check this out. I like a clean chart, and that's how I get my money, okay? Because the money is in the charts. And long as I can see these patterns, I know, okay, you know what? I caught a little bit of these moves to the upside, okay? Made a little bit of money, okay? But on the way down, I already know this is a level that I can see being tested and coming back to when we retrace. And where does that put us at? Back towards that, close to that 390 range, okay? However, if we keep going up from here, okay, boom, then I know we're going to that $400 level, and that will be another level of resistance. And again, you will see the stock make its way back down, okay? Going down isn't a bad thing, guys. A lot of times it's coming back to get strength. Look at this, okay? When this went up, remember, a strong move up always come back down and test. It was really coming to this line right here, okay? And then that was building strength. We call that consolidation. And then it slowly but surely began to make its way back up, okay? Boom, came back down, bounced off of that level, and then beginning to go higher, okay? So you need to be mindful that that's a necessary evil that has to happen. Stocks has to retrace. They have to pull back in order for you to make a move higher, okay? So for example, even though I'm not covering this today, Tesla made it to 123 like we discussed. It's en route to 128, but it had to first pull back from 125 to 123, get some more momentum before it goes higher. Same is true with this, okay? But look at the patterns these things try to make, okay? That's why I'm saying don't be surprised that this comes down at some point and it makes a move down lower if we continue to sell off and inflation continues to be a factor throughout this year, okay? Just want to put that on you guys. Always teaching, always trying to show you guys things that you may not always see and identify on your journey, but hopefully over time you begin to see these different patterns, these different things emerging within the chart, okay? Listen, it's a beautiful game. I often talk about the fact that the money is in the charts, okay? And this is how you're able to scale. This is how you're able to lead a corporate plantation. You have to put in a time to master the charts, okay? I want you guys this year in 2023, I want you guys to embrace mastering each time frame, because you will notice from a macro level, you will know on the deeper time frames what's going on down to the lower time frames what is going on. And this type of intel helps you make decisions. This type of intel helps you be consistent in your trades. I even use it to know when to get into my investments, okay? Because I'm studying the chart, I can see like, oh, if Apple comes down to, or Apple is going to come down to 129, you know what? I already bought Apple at 110. I rolled it all the way up to 175. I can rebuy it at 129, because although I might be doing my due diligence for trading, it's also showing me good entries if when I'm ready to go long and hold a stock or swing trade a stock or whatever the case may be. So it's so many benefits to learning and mastering the charts. I often say the money is in the charts, but if you don't even see what you're looking at, if you don't even see these different things, you might not know a stock is going to pull back. You might not know a stock is going to come down, and you don't know how low it will come down to, okay? Gaps like to be filled, so you need to know that, okay? So if you ever see a gap up or a gap down, if you need to know, okay, sometime throughout the day or sometime throughout this month, okay, or the year, or whatever the case may be, we are going to go back to fill that gap. So you can always know. There's a lot of people that just play gaps. Okay, you got some traders, they're just called gap traders. Okay, they just like to play the gap. They wait for any time there's a gap in the market, a gap up or down, because you already know the market will come back to this level. Okay, just like we highlighted in this diagram. Okay, they'll come back to these levels. Look right here, this is closing the gap right there. This one is yet to be seen, but it may do the same thing, and when it does, it'll be in that range right there. Okay, so listen guys, again, this is a beautiful game. Oftentimes you got to play the hand you're dealt. Okay, we can't stop nothing about what the market is going to do. We can't stop the manipulation. We can't stop the algos. However, you can learn to have a plan that's effective, that can lead you to consistent and consecutive wins. And before you know it, those small victories, those base hits, turn into a thing that will allow you to leave your job, dictate the future you want, dictate the pay you may want, so on and so forth, guys. And so again, it's more powerful than I can explain, but I'm hoping by showing up each and every day, you guys get the point, and you guys, more importantly, see what's possible. With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.